Hello, Redheaded Riding Hood here, red for short. It's Saturday night. I went swimming, then I watched Glow. My life is so exciting. And now I'm eating salad. It has artichoke hearts. I got all avocados. It's good. It's like 9 o'clock. Guys, I made all this food for Friday, but my son wasn't able to come by on Friday, so hopefully he'll come by Monday because I have all these leftovers in the fridge for him. I'm not really wanting to eat that food I made because it's pot pie, chicken pot pie, and pot roast, so it's not really good for my diet. But I shouldn't talk because I did have pizza after I swam. But now I'm eating salad. And before I swam, I had that just crack an egg again, which is very good. And it's a lot of, protein. I love salad. And I love the avocado. I like these cherry tomatoes. I have radishes. I'll probably put on the video everything that's on my salad. And so I went to the store and I spent so much money, got so much food that I shouldn't need to go for like 3 weeks. I got some wine and I Googled, because I'm not really knowledgeable on the wine, that what would go good with beef. And then I got this because it says dreaming tree. So the 7-story tree is my book. And so I got this. And I don't have wine glasses. I have 4 glasses actually. And this is one of my 4 glasses. I have the Italian dressing. I need to make more now. The Good Seasons Italian dressing. I ordered this bottle on Amazon because they didn't have them at the grocery store. So it makes it easier to make it because it has a little line and you go to the vinegar line and to the water line, and you put the seasoning in and you shake it up. Been having this since I was a kid. My mom used to get it. I'm gonna read you a poem. This poem is called Cry Wolf. There's a few poems, honestly, in this book, 7-Story Tree, that were inspired by a singer I met. And I thought, he's my age, he's kind of not super popular, you probably haven't heard of him, but he has a good voice. And I thought, when I met him, I thought, I didn't know he was married or what was going on with him. Then found out he was married, but we were kind of going back and forth online. So, and I was just like, anyways. And the verse I put before this is, "Do not lie to one another." Colossians 3:9. Cry wolf. Catch 22. Following you, 'cause he cares. Stalking like a wolf in the shadows. It's an empty trade, but you do it well. You've got everyone fooled by the lies you tell. the better to manipulate you, my dear. Where is the straightforward man of God who walks in the light, my night, in your dreams? Kind of cynical, yeah. I'm looking, I'm still waiting. Someday my prince will come. Cheers. Happy Saturday night. Pray for Red. Red will pray for you.